These people must be brought to account. And what is more even worse is the fact that this operation was actually led by a bodyguard of one of the members of parliament in Murang'A County. Bodyguard, he is the one who shot my car twice. The video is there. It is absolutely absurd, unacceptable. And if William thinks that he's going to actually cow us down, if anything, he's putting a lot of energy in us. Not only in us, even in our followers. The question is, William, what has Mount Kenya done to you? The votes that made you president are the same people you are now troubling on. I pity some women, very old women, who were shoved aside and thrown to the tea plantations by your officers. These people voted for you, William. And this is what you are giving them.